had too many drownings, way too many drownings.
Sadly, the stats, for Pacific, in particular males, are not great. And we feature high there, in particular Auckland.
I've been fortunate enough to only do it once, save people out on the water, because the primary role of a lifeguard is to prevent.
I am just making sure our stuff is together, but everyone's just setting up for our patrol. IRBs, flag, making sure the gear is pretty much good to go.
Awesome.
Okay.
That's us. I'll see you guys down at the beach.
All right.
So what these guys are doing here is just seeing the safest place to set up.
Just had to test the waters, just make sure it's safe for everyone to swim in, set up the flags. Looking for any rips, currents, anything to, cause harm, hazardous.
Everyone else is like getting the tower ready. We leave our tubes and our fins down here, so if there's no IRBs available, we just come down here from the tower, grab our tubes and fins and just cap it into the water.
It'll be pretty much like this the whole day.
Yeah.
Only the brave will come out on a day like this.
You can save everyone, eh? Hey, Dad.
Hmm?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, watch your feet.
Shall we demonstrate what happens if you step on a blue bottle?
No, stop it.
We've always patrolled as a family. I guess because we had one ka'awale, so we haven't had much choice in that department.
Obvious reason as a mum, knowing that there's a whole bunch of, head concussion stuff in contact sport was, I guess, a big fear. And just knowing that they won't have so much contact in the ocean, which is definitely one of the reasons why it made sense, from a well-being perspective, it was really important. Also just giving them a different experience.
Laju and I are refreshing. The refresher is our lifeguard certificate, so every season, every guard has to refresh and do this run, as well as like a theory test.
They're a little bit rusty, but some skills they'll never forget. But no, Josh and I are pretty much the regulars. We get over here to get away from all the fouls at home. Oh my God.
Our youngest is saved 30-year-old.
A few weeks ago, just after I did my refresher. Kind of scary, but in front of them, you just have to keep calm, tell them they're safe and everything, yeah.
Came home really, really, really proud. And his dad was just beaming because it's the reason why we got into it.
Okay, we're done.
Yeah, I'd love to see way more Pacific families involved with surf lifesaving. I feel mate, so mate out, yeah.